Hello, Gora. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for um, following Rari Visuals. Thank you for following me on YouTube, following me on Facebook, Instagram. Um, sorry, excuse. Otherwise, mina to some like sorry straight. Mina work uploading more tutorials because me been busy lately. The last few 4 months, yeah. Me also travel around taking some footage. Just normal camera work me also making kind of stuff. So me busy travel around as like kind of me no dropping on the tutorial. Now me no dropping on the fresh one. I'm but new plan you plus sampler on online where some finish it's no news, but lo you online where you very interested lo sabe lo Davinci resolve. Me was starting on the tutorial lo Davinci resolve like by me making episodes. Whatever but me uploading to YouTube and as well like Facebook lo people line you like watch online or something. Okay, so plenty line will ask me how you download the like how you download the DaVinci Resolve. How you download him now? How you what them how name free? Like pay on the cost because every time you want to Black Magic design website, people looking me got price top site lot slow product. Yes. You going to straight to Black Magic design on a website straight by looking at them. Every product you got price in US dollars of course. Nah, but you wonder how by downloading the free version kind of stuff. The studio version you can download him like you can pay him online or you can buy him using Black Magic design website and all but deliver him to you kind of stuff through the box. But something good about him free version got 95% features below studio version. So it's just 5,000 sorry it's just 5% by you lack him or features. But something good about too is that I'm giving you more space so you download and install more plugins you yet or if you like or presets or kind of something or so you can go on website or some motion array one of some art by art list or kind and many more like story blocks or like kind of website you can find more plugins but Davinci Resolve After Effects Premiere Pro but you can find it you can build them up Davinci Resolve software for you to work on your needs on something you like making I know so. So we'll by me come at this law something now me talk but right now me like when I'm just showing you like how low downloading free version. Okay. Like first the step is of course you must get internet access. So once you got on the internet access, it's fast. Downloading it is fast. Since me download the finish, me not downloading can so let me just show you the step that's all. And then installation process is just very easy. But you wanna web browser do you like I'm using Apple so just go to Google type Black Magic like come up finish Black Magic design. We click him, we go straight into Black Magic designs the first first plus come up first the website come up here Black Magic design and you click him. So once you click him now by looking him open him this window where plan the line or class give me hey how you look him like you look him on every product that will put him the and got the dollar sign stuff side them that kind of stuff. So you feel about just click him anything or kind of stuff them but you look him or say help me but need to pay him or I mean need to use a visa or pay him or kind of stuff. So then you come up in this website. The first thing you making you go to support. You look on top of this tab on top here. On top products, resellers, support, developer, company, media, splice, forum. Go to support. You click the support And you click the support by looking kind window also. Yeah. You looking kind window also now, and underneath them, select a product family. So you're looking professional cameras, Davinci Resolve, ATEM live wire production, live wire. Shout out to live wire, meeting you in the meet of live wire production. ATEM live production switches, ultimate, duplication, disk, capture, and playback. So you're looking for as family product or stuff. So that's how you can download him free version over there. If you're not downloading on software, live streaming, or software plan or like ATEM or ATEM live or switches. So it's all switch to later by me come up plan like otherwise over the software or over the product the Black Magic apps style slab you can just download it. So I'll skip. Bami tokosem you looking this la second the product after professional cameras. You looking for the second the product also Davinci Resolve and Fusion software. You click there. Just click. Then you click, you come on it by looking latest downloads, latest support notes, latest news. Once you click him, any product la hanta by looking this la download information about change. Example, me choosing professional cameras. Then me choosing professional cameras, look him latest download to Blackmagic Raw, Blackmagic Camera, Blackmagic Camera 8.5, kind of stuff. So me click him, me la download him Davinci Resolve. So me click him Davinci Resolve. Yeah. Now I'm giving more options now. So the latest update now, is the Davinci Resolve 19, public beta 3. So that's the latest update now. Like me or using a few others or using. Underneath, you can give him options for Mac, if you like him the Mac, or you like him the Windows, or Linux, or put me talk no good. Linux or Linux, or I don't know how to pronounce it, something about. Anyway, you look at the triple options of computers or operating systems that download lapa. I think it's the last one or gaming computers. Anyway, so Windows, you need more like an i7 or i6 processor or processing slot because some very high graphic program. But me recommend him Mac. So on the Mac, at least an i5, i7 Mac, or M1 or M2 chip. Now you download him. So from the latest downloads, you can click him. Like for me, example, we click him Mac. Then you click him Mac, and I'll show you this window can. So this window, you just type your first name, blue, type in last name, blue, company, and so on, email, basic. You contact the product, you look at product information, stuff in Davinci Resolve, why you like it, and so on. Now you talk register and download. So you click register and download. Sorry, me no finish all information. So like me talk finisher, me download him me download him finish. So me no like re-download him again. But me show you plus steps. Once you to register and download, bang, and download. Then take him probably 20, 30 minutes. Suppose processor be fast, internet be fast, and fast. Once and download, and open up inside the folder, the download section view. So you find him inside the downloads, but you look at Davinci Resolve, or Davinci Resolve installer. So you look at Davinci Resolve installer package or something, you click them now, you just drag him to inside the applications. Once you drag him inside the applications, and me talk side the Mac. Side the Windows too, by one kind. But if you're using Mac, you just side the Windows, you just click him, open him, talk install. Now you follow installation window web open, and then you start following, go sign him, click on the agreement, yes I agree, blah blah blah. And then you agree everything and by install website. Now Apple, you click in this box, you just drag him onto the application automatically and install. And then you open him up, now you use him. So thank you. So suppose this now whatever me Lilik startup told me show him here. If I'm helpful to you, please comment below, like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook as well. And, for more tutorials. So second episode of Davinci Resolve, you beginners, but me show him after you install, when is something you make him. How about you using this software? So by me make him, and the whole content will be on like talk cuisine. I think talk cuisine that's the best the best language that we can use him. Teach him you Davinci Resolve. Yeah. So thank you, Ogora. Peace out.